Hi guys, today I am going to do a quick tutorial on the Canon 80D. This is a old camera, but it's still a pretty decent camera. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on the auto mode, which is located on your wheel at the top, which is this one here. And I'm going to do a quick demo on the features that's available within this particular model. Okay, so Canon 80D. Let me see if I can get that in focus. So, there we go, that's in focus now. And I'm going to switch the camera on. So the wheels, like all old Canon cameras, switch it on. Camera comes on. This one is touch screen, which is a bit like sort of the more newer ones that you may be accustomed to or that you've got at home. So if I click on this Q button, or this button here, or this menu button, they all have different functionality. So I am in auto mode. And if I click on menu, it will take me to my main menu. Now I will do another video on this particular button. I'm not doing it on the menu, I'm doing it on sort of the settings. So if I click on Q button, it will give me all the settings for, now at the moment I've got it in film mode. So you've got camera mode and film mode. So I've got it on film mode. So if I toggle it to camera mode, there we go. And now you can see my screen has very much changed. Okay, so if I click on the Q button, it will give me, do I want to put my flash on auto mode, or do I want to delay? And you know, you can have it in auto, or you can have, you know, it's up to you really. So you could choose which one you want to go with. Okay, so if I click on the Q button, and I click on, so if I click on this start button, it will take me to this menu. If I click it again, it will take me to this LCD screen. If I click on the Q button, these icons will appear, so you can click on them. So you can click on autofocus method. So you got AF centered, and AF point, single point, multiple points, or autofocus points tracking. So you might want to track your pictures, okay, or your video. So if I go back out now if I focus on my camera, you can see my flash comes up. If I click on this Q button again, I've got like my file size, so I can change the file size of my picture and how big I want it to be, and it'll give me like a little description: high quality JPEG image for A3 size. So if I do large, if I click on large, it will give me a high quality image for A2 size. So you might want to have your pictures or your videos at specific sizes that you might want it at. And if I flicker through it, it'll give me like a little dial, so I can flick through it like this. Okay, so I can go through it like this as well. Yeah, so those are quite cool. So if I click back out, if I click on this Windows, it allows me to zoom into things like this. So I can zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, and I can go back out again. It's a bit fiddly, I think, this, to tell you the truth. 10 times to back to where it should be. Okay, so Q button gives me some options. If I click on this, it takes me back to this screen here. Click on the Q button, flash on or off. And if I click back on Q button, start button, and then click on the Q button, it gives me some more options. Now this is all in auto mode. If I click on set, does set do anything? Yep, so it toggles between night and day. So you can see the little symbol there will change, as you can see. Oh, it's not changing now. Maybe I might be wrong on that one. It was changing. Oh, there we go. So now it's kind of changed to a blue symbol. This little locks your camera, and this little symbol here allows you to bin pictures when you've taken them. Okay. If you want to take a picture, if I turn your camera around, that is your button to take the picture. So you basically press that, half press it, and it will allow you to take a picture. So if I press it, you can see my camera's come up, and if I hold it up, I can take a picture when I feel like it. Okay. So yeah, so those are the settings that I've gone through on auto mode on a Canon 80D. Any questions, please do post. We've just recently purchased a few of these, and I'm just doing really demos to just show obviously this audience, but people I work with, this particular camera. So I am quite new to this particular model myself, but it is very similar to other Canon cameras. So if you use like an 500D, sorry, 700D, or a 250D, or any other sort of kind of model in their Canon range, you will find that a lot of the settings are kind of similar to each camera. So all these things that I'm showing you, I've shown other cameras. So if you do have any questions, please do post and I'm happy to respond. Thanks for watching.